Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction? Today we are with Motive Boss. Motive Boss link up and say, yo, Jay. I say, alright then, take it do the do. Motive Boss with a track, I think it's on the Dirty Money Rhythm. Big up Russian. I don't think the one authorized, but big up Russian said we. You know the youth them put out them work. Said we. Motive Boss pan so the one named Go2. But I don't know what Go2 is. I was trying to do my research. I never come up with some other different things. What is Go2? So can somebody in the comment section explain what Go2 is and make me get an understanding, you know? So I'm gonna jump to the one here. Jump in the one and hear the G say. So obviously you see a bad bitch when they cover art. What it big like runway, yeah. Broad, thick, cement soup to drink, I like it. So at the G this, you don't know Bel Air in hand, Rick Ross, huh? And we have MVU Records. We got MVU Records. So I can jump in the one and hear what the G say. Go2 by Motive Boss. Let's go. Hey, Russian.
Yeah. Believe no man. Chopper lifestyle, you know. Dancer. Mount of money na me go to. Y'all send me power up like Goku.
Hold on. The amount of money name Goku, y'all send power up like the amount of money name Go2, y'all send power up like Goku. So I'm taking Go2 as a some sort like a cash app or something like that, or a paper or something like that. Am I right? I don't know. Or in bank account. Is that what a Go2 is? I don't know. Somebody explain to me, please.
Mount of money na me go to. Y'all send me power up like Goku.
If you don't know what is Goku is from Dragon. Oh, see Goku. Yeah, Goku right or something. No. Goku from Dragon Ball Z. Well power up, you know? Yeah, big up Goku. Goku, yeah, well power up. So you don't know Dragon Ball Z. Dragon Ball Z fan them. Yeah, big up on the side. Let's go.
Chopper lifestyle, you know. Dancer.
Yeah.
Mount of money na me go to. Y'all send me power up like Goku. Motive Boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. Mount of money na me go to. Y'all send me power up like Goku. Motive Boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. Beanie Invex, know the youth them stress. Dance all it can't find happiness. Beanie Invex, know the youth them stress. Dance all it can't find happiness. Beanie Invex, know the youth them stress. Dance all it can't find happiness. Joshy him dope, skin a take coke.
Dog, you couldn't give me a warning say this year go, brother. You couldn't give me a warning say go call artist name. Eh? You know what the artist them premium, you know? Cause remember so we love the foolishness over here, you know? Yeah, we love over here. I'm curious again.
Go2, y'all send me power up like Goku. Motive Boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, so true. Beanie Invex, know the youth them stress. Dance all it can't find happiness. Joshy him dope, skin a take coke. Them.
And say Joshy broke. Yeah, Joshy broke like wood. Looking at the road, skin a take coke. That's how him said, not me. That's how Motive Boss said, not me.
Dance all it can't find happiness. Joshy him dope, skin a take coke. Them say the song in a past the airport Bronx. Them
The man said them same song now past the airport. Look right now, fly high, first class, overseas. That's what the G say.
Joshy him dope, skin a take coke. Them say the song in a past the airport Bronx. Them must be blind, wait, they can't see. The whole of them need a telescope.
Them blind, eh? Them can't see. Them awa, eh? Them awa. Stevie Wonder, them can't see. What do you mean? Telescope? Them not far-sighted. Them not far-sighted.
Bronx, them must be blind, wait, they can't see. The whole of them need a telescope. Find the whole of them a sail pan boat. When man not take a play from airport.
The man's ain't find where them a sail pan boat. When the G take the airport, so the G having paperwork to travel through the airport while them have to jump jump the borderline, you know? Jump borderline and I take a risk with them life on boat, you know? 40 days and 40 nights them on the boat. You can't survive. That's what the G said, not me.
Find the whole of them a sail pan boat.
Yeah.
When man a take a play from airport. Mount a money na me go to. Girl a send me power up like Goku. Multi boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. Mount a money na me go to. Girl a send me power up like Goku. Multi boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. Dance all nice already. Tell me know it go. Rich lifestyle just to tell me where it go. 18 girl we have in the studio. Smooth when me pull up na the Bentley.
Boss, I have 18 girls in the studio. So normally when some G got, when some artists are got studio, one bag of man back at them, one bag of yes man. I say, yo, song bad. The man say, yo, 18 girls me have in the studio, brother. 18 girls in the studio. And why are them after me? Why are them after me? Yeah, that's what the G said, not me.
18 girl we have in the studio. Smooth when me pull up na the Bentley. Park the Benz car we not too friendly. 100 get girl before 20. Rich is right, poor is wrong. Listen me song, me a the real one, dog. Where me belong? Yes, me a alien. Not to mix up.
Man say my alien brother, he's not an earthling, he's an alien. Yeah, he's an alien. Out of this world. Yeah, alien brain, that's what I say.
Where me belong? Yes, me a alien. Not to mix up with no Christian. When me dead, the Bible na me on.
Him say him not to mix up with no Christian, but him have him Bible in him and so him a tell us say you right to say yo, I'm a lone soldier, so me try it by myself. Don't need any human. Him don't tell us say he's not from planet Earth, he's out of this world, he's an alien. So me don't need no I need nothing apart from me Bible and that's how the G say.
Not to mix up with no Christian. When me dead, the Bible na me on. Mount a money na me go to. Girl a send me power up like Goku. Multi boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. Mount a money na me go to. Girl a send me power up like Goku. Multi boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. Beanie him vex, now the youth them stress. Dance all it can't find happiness. Joshy him dope, sking a take coke. Them say the song in a pass the airport gangs.
Why you call Joshy and Skeng name alone and Beanie? I think it was like calling a lot of artists' name. I just Joshy and Skeng and Beanie name I call. What you try? My man, hey, motive boss. But I get me in trouble in the youth.
Joshy him dope, sking a take coke. Them say the song in a pass the airport gangs. They want see blind, wait, they can't see. The whole of them need a telescope. Find the whole of them a sail pan boat. When man a take a play from airport. Mount a money na me go to. Girl a send me power up like Goku. Multi boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. Mount a money na me go to. Girl a send me power up like Goku. Multi boss them no know you. Rich badness, yeah, it's so true. MVU Records.
MV Records, big up. My thing is with this track, and I'm just gonna point out what I hear. The mix could have been a lot cleaner, not a bit, a lot cleaner. MVU Records, you me I talk to you, sir. The mix could have been cleaner. Yeah, the mix could have been a bit cleaner, in my opinion. You understand? I don't know our experience here is with mixing down tracks and whatever, but it could have been a bit cleaner, cleaner quality. My other question is for you, Motive Boss. What is a go-to? What is a go-to? And that is a genuine question. I don't know what is a go-to. Yeah, that is my two questions. But guys, let me know what you guys think about it. I'm gonna leave the link to the track and in YouTube channel in the comment section. You can pin that so you can go over there, go give me honest opinion to the track when we just react to. You see me? The thumbnail could have been a bit more creative, I think. I think like this thumbnail was like rush, or it was created by someone who doesn't know how to create thumbnail properly. So it was a good try though, but it needed a bit more professional, something more catchy. Like remember, say YouTube depending, you know, so YouTube work have a thumbnail, you know. If me see a catchy thumbnail, make a clip on it. You see me? So yeah, it's a bad rhythm depending. You don't know, I don't money rhythm. So yeah, but yeah, big up on yourself still, bro. Motive, big up on yourself, my G. MVU, big up on yourself. You don't know. You see me? keep putting in the work, bro. Keep growing. Yeah. Keep putting in the work and keep growing, bro. That's all you gotta do, man. You see me? You done out there already, I put it in, bro. So go and do it. You see me? Yeah, one more thing. One more thing. Let me just notice. You see, right here, so you can comment. All right. The person who uploaded it, I'm not sure if it's if yourself, bro. I like it. The person who uploaded it, what the person needs to do. When I upload it, it asks you, is it made for kids? Take off. No, it's not made for kids. Once you put that it's made for kids, once you take the box where say made for kids, you can't go comment on it. But if you don't click the box where say made for kids, then you can comment on it. Get what I say? So yeah, take off that, bro, and then people can actually comment. So take off that as quick as you can. Alright? But yeah, big up yourself, bro. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.